welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys, I just want to show you guys what I do in the mornings and at nights. How do I clean my face with the products Jafra. You guys probably have seen it. If you guys been here for a long time, you guys seen that I use Jafra. It's a really good product to use in your face. So let's get started. So I have a bowl of water here because I don't want to get up and wash my face, so I just have a bowl of water. So I'm gonna be using this Beauty Dynamics Gentle Exfoliating Scrub, which is, I hope you guys can see that right there. This is Jafra. This is what I do when I take a shower and exfoliate my face so I can feel much better. And I'm going to be using, after that, I use the brightening toner, which is this one right here. It's a toner. And then I have two creams. I use one at night and one in the morning. So today's afternoon. So I'm going to be using this Dynamic Balance. It's the Day Moisturizer. So it's this one right here. And then I'll be using Royal Jelly from Jafra. This goes in the under eyes. You can see that goes on the under eyes. And I'm going to be using this little sponge and a towel so I can wipe my face. So I'm going to be taking my glasses off. So the first thing I do is I'm going to wash my face. I'm going to get up actually. So my face is washed. I'm going to grab the exfoliator and I'm going to put a small little pump like this. Rinse this off. Okay, so now that I rinse it off, I'm gonna grab my mess here. That's why I have an extra towel because I knew I was gonna make a mess. Go ahead and wipe it. And when you're wiping your face, just don't go like this because that's not right. Just tap the towel because it really, you don't want to damage your face if you rub it off. It's not a good idea. Okay, so after I have my face cleaned, my beautiful face, I grab this sponge and my toner. I just go like this, like that, and we tap the toner into our face.
Now that I have my toner, I'm just gonna let it dry. Let it dry quick. Dry, dry, dry.
Okay, now that it's dry, I'm gonna use this day cream and I'm gonna put right that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the nose, just like that. And I used a lot. Well, now I'm gonna do circular motions on the, and this just feels so good when you put it in your face. And what I like to do is just like give myself a little massage after I finish the whole thing, just because it feels so good. So after I add my cream, gonna add this on the underlines because I have a lot of dark circles because it runs in my family. I'm just gonna put a small little pump like this, and we're gonna add it right here. I used to have like extremely dark circles, and it was not looking great. Now that I'm aging, I gotta keep my skin without wrinkles. So this is gonna help me a lot. So, I like to give circles here because this is where you see the aging. Well, that's how I see mine. I like to add mine up here. Just like that. And just tap. So that's how I clean my face. It's really, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I do this. I clean, exfoliate my face when I feel it like it's really dirty. So I love this exfoliating. It just feels, your skin feels so soft and amazing. I love Jafra. Jafra helped my face really, really good. I used to suffer from a lot of pimples when I was a teen. I think everybody goes through that. And I mean, I tried thousands of facial masks and products, and just it did help, but it just came right back up, and it kind of like looks nasty with a lot of pimples. So, but right now I really love this and I'm using it. And once I age more, I'm going to be using a different one. For this white one, I used to use like a purple colorish when I was like in my teens. When I turned to, I think 16 or 15, started using that. And then once I got in my 20s, I started using this kind of like color of like kind of like yellowish or beige. So now that I'm hitting my 30s, I'm gonna use this white one until I hit 40 or 50. I'm gonna be using a different color. So it's like when you age, you use different creams. When you're 50, 60, then use the gold one, which, you know, the gold one is more, I think more cool because it has like, I haven't gone there yet, but when I get there, hopefully I'm still using Jafra. But if you guys are suffering from pimples and you want to get rid of it, I really recommend Jafra. Jafra is the best thing ever that happened to me. If it works for me for my pimples, it can work for any of you guys. So I really recommend it. And if you guys want to check out, I'll put the link in the description box so you guys go to the website and learn more about it if you guys are interested. And really hope Jafra, this is not sponsored, so this is just me showing you guys what I love about Jafra. It's really good. And I made a video about all the Jafra things that the book and everything explaining this. But if you guys want more information, I'll just put the website in the info box so you guys can check it out. And I hope you guys like this tutorial of my cleaning my face, and I hope you guys give it a try because it's the best thing ever. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys like this video, put a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.